Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a member to a channel in Microsoft Teams. Adding members to a channel lets them join conversations, access files, and collaborate with the team. Let's get started. On your Microsoft Teams dashboard, go ahead and click Communities on the left side of your dashboard. Once here, we can see our channels. To add someone to a channel, click on the channel you want. This opens up the channel. Now, to add someone, click Invite Members. From here, we can search for the person we want to add. We can use their email address or full name. Just type their name or any detail to find them. Then click Send. We can also add members by sharing a link. To do this, click the SharePoint link, then copy it and send it to your classmates so they can join the channel. And that's it. We've successfully added someone to a channel in Microsoft Teams. They can now join discussions and collaborate with the rest of the team.